This video is brought to you by Vantrue Dashcams. Their N4 Pro is one half of the setup you regularly see in my videos, which has excellent quality footage and even more stunning nighttime footage. Use this code on screen for money off until the 16th of September, and please find links to a selection of their dashcams in the description. This is why you don't park on the wrong side of the road. What's up, drivers? Welcome to Motorway Mondays, the series dedicated to my road trips and other random rubbish. Today's first clip requires a little analysis. We're on my least favourite stretch of motorway in the country, the west side of the M62, where I do my best to stay out the way of an erratically driven grey Skoda. You can see here that I do plan to move back across, but I can already tell that the Skoda is dedicated to undertaking, plus I'm slowly catching the van in lane 2 anyway.
Video protected.
A little closer to Chester, I decide that I fancy a quick stop. But it doesn't quite go to plan. Back on the wrong day. Where the fuck's the services?
I think they did something wrong, mate.
What the fuck? There was only signs for trucks. Well, I think BMW behind me's done the same exact thing. Well, I guess we're stopping at the fucking next one then. Where did it... I'm sorry, where did it say? I was solely looking at these signs, specifically for one with a car on it, so as a result I completely missed this main sign and the markings on the floor.
Bruh.
At least it didn't seem like I was the only one. Sorry if you were following me thinking I knew what I was doing, Mr. BMW. Speaking of BMWs, here's one performing far from a great pullout. I wouldn't have done that. Exactly.
Video protected.
This is the clip from the intro of this video. You could tell I was looking through this gap here for oncoming cars. I spot the van, but I have no idea how I missed the red car. I didn't even blink, for God's sake. Either way, perfect example of why you should park facing the correct way on the left side of the road.
The next day.
Here's a selection of some videos I took at Chester Zoo. The absolute highlight of which has to be the ducks arguing with the lemurs. This is Nightmare Junction. TR Space Star and Eli made a trip to Hull and made sure to check out our now infamous junction, and to destroy some urban tumbleweeds.
Oh. That was a plastic container.
Did you see that?
No.
Having a free afternoon, I went to go meet up with them and check out the sweet Pimp My Ride-esque hot tub that TR had installed in his car.
Wanna go for a swim?
Wait, am I currently... is it like this side as
No,
well?
it's only this side.
That's alright.
You can...
Jesus Christ.
My hand is soaked now.
And now finally back, due to popular demand, it is time to check in.
With your mum.
My mum's an interesting character. And I get a lot of private messages and emails wanting to see more of her.
What's up, Doc?
So here's this month's healthy dose of Banana Man.
Don't be stupid. Thank you.
Back when I was collecting all of our home video and DVD footage for Best of Dadcam, I came across these clips. I was shocked to see that my mum actually didn't used to be that bad of a roller skater, especially considering how clumsy she can be.
Oh, nearly.
I guess we'll see if I get a brown letter then. I think I was doing either 73 or 74, which shouldn't be a ticket. Oh shit. As soon as I can see what the problem is, I back off and try to make as much room as possible for the tanker. I'm surprised he didn't slow right down and get all the way across before passing the van. The heat from the van was incredible. Yeah, I would get away from that if I were you, Mr. Tanker. Jesus Christ.
You can feel the heat.
You actually can. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give me a sub, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for some money off some dash cams. Peace.